I've added buttons on my DIY websites page, but how do I control the color and the shape of those buttons? You can see link button settings, and when I click here, I can see that I can change the text on the button, the URL, the positioning, but I cannot change the color from here, neither the shape. This can be done from the font or theme settings. So you cannot do it directly from the page, but if you go on the admin panel, fonts over here, there are a few options for buttons and for theming. And first of all, here is my button, how it looks, and I can select different shapes. 1 to 5 is 5 is a bit more rounded, 1 is square boxed, 3 is something in the middle. Then the size of the button, the default is a medium, and if you really want to have that large buttons, you can. And also the colors of those buttons, the background can be changed from here, so I can make it greenish with the text being black, and then I can click save. Because I'm modifying the theme of the website, all the buttons within your website will change its color, shape, and the text color as well. So this applies to all the buttons. If I go back to my buttons page, I can see that all the buttons now are green with a slightly different shape.